In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations. This is a system with two equations, and we are going to use the substitution method to solve this system. Since we are using the substitution method, as the name implies, we substitute one value for another. So the objective here is to look at these equations and figure out which one of these equations have one of the variables with coefficients either 1 or -1. The first one doesn't, this one doesn't. So, but if you look at the second one, this one has y with coefficient -1. Now our objective here is going to be solve for y in this equation and then take that y value and plug it into this equation. To solve for y, we can just add y to both sides. That's going to give me 4x on the left hand side. Positive y, negative y cancel out. On the right hand side, 7 plus y. Then I am going to subtract 7 from both sides. Subtract 7. That's going to give me on the left hand side 4x minus 7. On the right hand side, -7, +7 cancel out. That gives me y, which is to say y is equal to 4x minus 7. Now I am going to take this y value and plug this into the given equation. I mean the first equation, which is this one. So I'm going to have -5x plus 3 times y. But instead of y, I'm going to put 4x minus 7. That's where the substitution, the name substitution comes from. You're substituting the value of y by something else and then solving. So that's going to be equal to 1. Now we are just going to use the usual distributive property to solve it. -5x, then 3 times 4x is 12x. Then 3 times -7 is -21 is equal to 1. Now -5x plus 12x is 7x. Then minus 21 is equal to 1. Then I'm going to add 21 to both sides. If I do so, I get 7x on the left hand side, -21, +21 cancel out. That gives me 0, so I don't need to worry about it. On the right hand side, 1 plus 21 is 22. Then I divide both sides by 7 to solve for x. So that gives me x is equal to 22 over 7. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this x value and plug this into the second equation and find the value of y, but I can also use this one equivalently. So what do we get? Y is equal to 4 times x. So 4 times x is 22 over 7, because x is 22 over 7, which we found here, minus 7. So y is equal to 88. 4 times 22 is 88 divided by 7 minus 7. Now I gotta make the denominator same, so I'm going to multiply this 7 by 7 and divide it by 7. So that's going to give me the following: 88 over 7 minus 7 times 7 is 49. 49 over 7. Now that becomes 88 minus 49 over 7. And that tells me my y is going to be equal to 39 over 7. So my solution to this given system of linear equations, so this system is going to be, by the way, x comma y is equal to, my x is 22 over 7, comma, my y is 39 over 7. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.